The Android 14 car stereo system designed for the Renault Megane to 2002-2009 is a state-of-the-art multimedia solution that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features. This QLED Android car radio offers a seamless integration of entertainment, navigation, and connectivity, making it an excellent upgrade for your vehicle. Powered by a Qualcomm 8-core ARM Cortex processor clocked at 2.0 GHz, this system delivers exceptional performance, ensuring smooth operation even when running multiple applications simultaneously. The use of 11-nanometer manufacturing technology further enhances its efficiency and reliability, making it a powerful addition to your car's dashboard. One of the standout features of this car stereo is its compatibility with steering wheel controls (SWC). After installation, you can effortlessly control the screen using the buttons on your steering wheel, ensuring a safer and more convenient driving experience. This integration eliminates the need to take your hands off the wheel, allowing you to focus on the road while still accessing your favorite features. Additionally, the system includes two USB 2.0 ports, which can be extended to the Copilot storage box for easy access. These ports support connections to USB flash drives or USB driving recorders, providing flexibility for both entertainment and security purposes. The Android 14 operating system brings a host of modern functionalities to your Renault Megane 2. With built-in GPS navigation, 4G connectivity, and Bluetooth, you can enjoy real-time traffic updates, high-speed internet access, and hands-free calling. The inclusion of Apple CarPlay further enhances its versatility, allowing iPhone users to seamlessly integrate their devices with the car stereo. Whether you're streaming audio, navigating through unfamiliar routes, or making phone calls, this system ensures a smooth and intuitive user experience. In terms of design and installation, this Android car radio is tailored to fit the Renault Megane models from 2002 to 2009. Its sleek and modern appearance complements the car's interior, while the plug-and-play wiring harness simplifies the installation process. The system is designed to work with the car's existing audio setup, ensuring high-quality sound output through the vehicle's speakers.